Hello
Hello,
friends,
friends.
welcome
Welcome
to
to
our
our
channel
channel
Food
Food
and
and
Drink.
Drink.
Hi, I'm Santosh.
Hi, I'm Priya. Today we'll be showing you the recipe for Bagan Bharta.
Hope you like our video. Please share and subscribe to our channel.
So let's get started. For this recipe, we will require a big sized brinjal, about 3 medium sized tomatoes, 2 medium sized onions, some coriander and green chilies. Finely chop the onions, tomatoes, green chili and coriander. The next step is to make slits to the brinjal. I have made about 4 to 5 slits starting from the top till the bottom of the brinjal, making sure the brinjal is not cut into two halves. Once you've done this, apply oil on all the sides of the brinjal. This will help while we are roasting it. Now we'll be roasting the brinjal. I have placed it directly on the gas and turning it slowly so that it cooks evenly. If you're not comfortable in holding the brinjal directly, you could also use a support like the one I am using. We need to roast the brinjal till it turns black completely, and you can notice that there is some water oozing out of the brinjal. This is the indication that it has cooked well inside. Once the brinjal is roasted completely, you can notice that it becomes very soft to touch and I can peel out the skin easily. Cut it into small pieces. Take a pan and add about 3 tablespoons of oil. Wait till the oil is heated up and add 1 teaspoon of jeera. Once the jeera splutters, add the green chili and chopped onion. Add about half teaspoon of salt. Adding salt helps in removing the moisture content from the onions and helps it cook faster. Fry the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes and then add the chopped tomatoes. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder. Cook the tomatoes till it becomes soft and add about 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder. Let this cook for another 2 to 3 minutes. Add very little water and mix well. Now add the chopped brinjal to this masala and mash it while mixing. Add about half teaspoon of salt. Mix the masala and the brinjal well. Since the brinjal is already roasted, we just need to cook it for 2 to 3 minutes. And finally garnish it with some chopped coriander. As you see, this is a very simple recipe which goes very well with naan, rotis or chapatis. I hope you all liked the video. Please add your comments in the comment section below. Thank you everyone for watching this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye. See you.